Good morning, students. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Children, before vacations, we have done chapter 3, Weather and Climate, in which we studied difference between weather and climate, elements of weather and climate. First, temperature, instrument to measure temperature. In today's video, we will understand calculation of temperature, atmospheric pressure, instrument to measure atmospheric pressure. What is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall, sunshine and wind. Climate is the average or typical weather of a place worked out over a long period of time. We know that in Britain it gets cold in the winter and warm in the summer. This is climate. But we do not know if it is going to be warm tomorrow or not. This is the weather. Elements of weather are same. We have done temperature, atmospheric pressure, clouds, humidity, precipitation, wind. Measuring temperature. Air temperature is measured with a thermometer. The scale is in degree Celsius. Daily maximum temperature refers to the highest temperature reading for the day. Daily minimum temperature refers to the lowest temperature reading for the day. Temperature is degree of hotness or coldness of a place. Temperature are calculated by taking the mean or by taking the range. When we are taking the mean, it has been calculated in three manners: daily, monthly and annually. First, mean daily temperature is sum of hourly temperatures divided by 24 hours. Sum of hourly temperature divided 24, that is the formula for it. Diurnal is daily temperature range. Difference between the maximum and minimum temperature recorded in a day. Mean monthly temperature. Average of the daily temperatures recorded in the month. So how we are going to calculate that? Sum of mean daily temperatures in the month divided by number of days in the month. Mean annual temperature. Average temperature recorded in a year. And how we are calculating it? Sum of mean monthly temperature in the year divided by 12. Annual temperature range, that is the difference between the maximum and minimum mean monthly temperatures recorded in a year. Maximum mean monthly temperature minus minimum mean monthly temperature. These two formulas we are going to understand with the help of an example. Mean annual temperature, total of mean monthly temperature divided by 12. So all the temperature recorded in different months been added together and divided by 12. We have got the mean annual temperature. Annual temperature range, highest temperature minus lowest temperature. Element of weather and climate. Second element, atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? The pressure exerted by the weight of the atmosphere is atmospheric pressure. At sea level, this pressure has a mean value of 101,325 pascals. The atmospheric pressure measured by using barometer. Air pressure. Air pressure is the result of the weight of a column of air pushing down on an area. There is a column of air above you all the time. The weight of the air in the atmosphere causes air pressure. Atmospheric pressure. It is lower altitudes have a higher pressure. Higher altitudes have a lower pressure. Let's understand that with the impact that is due to impact of temperature on air pressure. Warm air is less dense than cold air. Therefore, warm air has an lower air pressure and cold air has a higher air pressure. The molecules in warm air are moving fast and are spread further apart. Therefore, there are fewer air molecules in a given area to push down on you. Air pressure. Air pressure is a measure of a force that air exerts on a surface. Weight per unit area of the column of air above that location. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Average air pressure at sea level is 1 kg per centimeter square. 14.7 lb per inch square. The air pressure at any point is the same in all directions. Isobars. On weather maps, atmospheric pressure is shown by lines drawn, known as isobars. An isobar is an imaginary line drawn on a map joining all places having equal atmospheric pressure. Measuring air pressure. Air pressure is measured in barometer. There are two kinds of barometers. They are mercury barometer and aneroid barometers. Mercury barometer consists of a glass tube open at the bottom end and partially filled with mercury. Aneroid barometer, when air pressure increases, the thin walls of the chamber are pushed in. When pressure drops, the walls bulge out. Difference between aneroid barometer and mercury barometer. Aneroid barometer is a solid device which is easy to transport and take readings, whereas the mercury barometer is very hard to transport. The aneroid barometer requires machinery. The mercury barometer can be constructed easily. The aneroid barometer is a compact and stable device. The mercury barometer is a very large and fragile apparatus. Barograph. This is the device used for recording aneroid barometer. A pen is attached to the arm which records pressure over time. The diagrams of the mercury barometer and the aneroid barometer. Children, we have understood today elements of weather and climate, temperature, calculation of the temperature, atmospheric pressure, instrument to measure atmospheric pressure.